The dog and his reflection. A dog was crossing a bridge over a stream with a piece of meat in his mouth. Suddenly, he saw his own reflection down in the water and thought it to be another dog. It was his reflection only, but the piece of meat appeared to be bigger in water. In anger, he opened his mouth to bark at the shadow, thinking it to be another dog carrying a larger piece of meat. The moment he opened his mouth, the meat from his mouth fell into the water and the stream swept it away. Moral: beware lest you lose the real thing by grasping at its reflection. Goodbye. Hope you like this story.